What are the police doing here?
I'm curious why that building is so heavily guarded.
It's best for a nosy cop like you not to interfere. Just follow the directions from your headquarters.
I'm here to pursue the truth, not to obey you. So, whether you like it or not, I'm going to find out what's really going on.
Go away!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear members and patrons. From the depth of our heart, we extend our sincerest gratitude to each one of you. Thanks to your infallible support, we've been able to create a wide range of educational content, including free medical education, free animated education, free Quran education, Salahuddin series, and so many others. Your contribution have truly been the lifeblood of these projects. But most importantly, your support has allowed us to continue producing our flagship series, I'm Best Muslim, which holds a special place in our mission to inspire and educate the younger generation about Islamic values. Without you, bringing this content to life would not be possible. As a token of our appreciation, we are thrilled to offer you early access to this premiere episode of I'm Best Muslim. This is our way of saying thank you for being such an essential part of our journey. After this exclusive period for members and patrons, this episode will be made free for everyone once episode 2 of I'm Best Muslim is ready, allowing even more people to benefit from its powerful message. Once again, we thank you from the bottom of our heart. Your support helps us spread this vital teaching to the world. May Allah bless you abundantly for your contribution. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Fight.